What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your SIM card and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Hey there everyone, welcome back. My name's Sergio and in this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and I got a bunch of useful links in the description down below. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to show you how to install both the SIM card and SD card. Okay, I'm going to show you also how to set up the SD card so that pictures that you take on your phone from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of your phone. And I'm also going to show you how to transfer old files that you have saved on the memory of your phone to your SD card so that you can free up space on your phone. Maybe you don't have any space left, you can't download any apps, or your phone is just acting really slowly because you have low memory on your phone. Okay, so I'll show you how to transfer everything to the SD card so that your phone can start working normally again. Let's go. So first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get your SIM ejector pin. Your phone should come with one if you bought it brand new. If not, you can also use a paper clip or the back of an earring as well. Okay, so on the top left corner of the phone, there's going to be a small opening up here. And this is where we're going to insert the SIM ejector tool. Okay, you're going to push it in until you see that the SIM tray slightly comes up like that. It's up just slightly. You can stick your fingers in it and pull it out. Okay, and that is your SIM card and SD card tray. Okay, so as you can see, it says SIM 1 right here. So I'm going to place the SIM card just like this with the slanted part facing the bottom left here, like you can see. Okay, and then just give it some pressure until it clicks in. It should stay in there and it won't fall out with gravity. Same thing for the SD card. We're going to turn it around and we're going to place the micro SD like this. Okay, we're going to push it in until you feel it click. There we go. And we're going to turn this baby around like this. Okay, and we're going to place it back into the Galaxy A35 5G. Okay, so place it like that. And okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and push it in all the way. All right, so once you push it in all the way, give it a couple seconds. You should receive signal right away as long as your SIM card is activated, and you'll be able to send text messages, make phone calls, and data as well.
Cannot be completed as dialed.
All right, so phone calls are working, and the phone will pick up data as well automatically as long as you have data on your service plan. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up your SD card so that when you take pictures and videos from your camera, the pictures and videos will save to the SD card rather than the internal memory of your phone. How you're going to do it is we're going to go into the camera app. Here we're going to select the settings wheel up on the upper left hand corner up here. Okay, and here we're going to scroll down to where it says storage location. It's right here, as you can see. So I'm going to select it, and then here we're just going to select SD card. All right, let's go back. So now when we take pictures and videos, they will be saved on the SD card. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to transfer files over from the memory of your phone to the SD card so you can free up space on your phone and have more storage once again. So how we're going to do this is we're going to scroll up and we're going to go into the Samsung folder here, and we're going to find My Files. All right, here are My Files. We're going to see right here in storage, it's going to say internal storage and an SD card right under it. So we're going to select internal storage first because we want to transfer from the internal storage of the phone to the SD card. So let's just say for the purpose of this video, we want to transfer pictures and videos. So those will be found in the DCIM folder. We're going to go to DCIM, we're going to select camera, and here you're going to see all of the pictures and videos that I have saved on the internal storage. You're probably going to have a lot more. So what we'll do here is we will tap and hold on the first picture. Okay, you can select any picture or video that you want to transfer over, or to make it easier, you can just select all on the upper left hand corner. Okay, once they're all selected, down here, there's a couple options. We're going to select move. Okay, and now we're going to select where we want to move it to. So we're going to go back to internal storage, go back. All right, so here we're going to go ahead and find SD card. We're going to select the same folder in the SD card, the DCIM folder. And here we're going to create a new folder because I want to keep it organized. So I'm going to create a new folder. You don't have to. I'm going to name it Galaxy A35. Create. Okay. And I'm going to select the folder and then I'm going to select move here. Okay. So all of the files that I selected, pictures and videos, have been moved to this new folder in the SD card. So now if we go back to the internal storage of the phone, we go to that same DCIM folder, camera, you will see that there is nothing here in camera because everything was moved over, freeing up memory in the internal storage of the Galaxy A35. So keep in mind, you can do this for any other type of file that you want to transfer over. It can also be, music files, downloads. You can transfer any type of file to the SD card so that you can free up more space on the internal memory of your Galaxy A35 5G. All right, everyone, so that is how you install your SIM card and SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A35. Go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, comment down below and let me know. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.